If you're looking for an easy and quick way to make your lunch or dinner in a matter of around 10 to 15 minutes, I got you, because today I'm going to be showing you how to make gizzard stir-fried rice recipe, which is loaded with lots of proteins and vegetables, and the outcome is just incredible. You're going to start off by prepping your ingredients because this recipe is very quick. So I've already prepped my onions. I'm going to be using the regular onions and green onions. I have some red capsicum, carrots, some garlic for some flavor. Also, I have chopped up my gizzards over here, 2 eggs, and my leftover rice. So it's that simple and it's very quick. You're going to start off by making a sauce by adding 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce to a small bowl and dark soy sauce. Add in a splash of water, mix everything until combined, and place aside. You're going to place your pan, a non-stick pan, over medium flame. Add in a tablespoon of cooking oil. And once the oil is hot, you're going to add in your onions. I'm going to cook my onions for around 30 seconds until soft. You don't want to brown the onions because they're not going to be looking good once the rice is ready. When the onions are starting to soften up, I'm going to add in 4 crushed cloves of garlic. Stir in. Saute your garlic for around 30 seconds until the raw flavor of garlic is gone. And as my garlic is cooking, I'm going to crack in 2 eggs in a bowl. Whisk in the eggs. Once done, I'm going to check on my onions together with garlic, and you can see they're cooked down and softened up. So next I'm going to add in carrots. I've started by adding in the carrots because they take a while to cook. So in a matter of 1 minute, they are going to soften up a little bit. And then when I add the rest of the ingredients, they're going to fully cook. I'm going to add in my red capsicum together with my gizzards that I've chopped up into bite-sized pieces. Saute for around a minute. After about a minute, I'm going to place my gizzards, carrots, and the rest of the vegetables aside. Add in a little bit of cooking oil. And add in my eggs. Remember, I'm using very low flame to cook my veggies. So I'm going to scramble the egg as it slowly cooks. When the eggs are ready, I'm going to mix in with the rest of the ingredients, and this looks absolutely incredible. I love the vibrant colors. I have some reds from the capsicum, some yellow from the eggs, and also I have my gizzards, which look absolutely mouth-watering, together with my carrots. So the next step is to add in my rice, which is leftover rice. Bring the flames to medium and stir in everything to combine. As you stir in the rice, you're going to break any lumps of rice that you see. And slowly cook your rice, or slowly preheat your rice as it cooks. This looks so good. So this is a recipe for about 3 to 4 people. You can double up the amounts of ingredients and make for your entire family. Trust me, it's going to be worth it. When the rice is halfway cooked, I'm going to add in my sauce and stir in. delish. Once your gizzard stir-fry rice is ready, it's going to be looking very vibrant and delicious. I've garnished with some green onions because they also have some flavor. So you can enjoy the rice just as it is, or you can serve over some curry and enjoy to the fullest. So this is the simplest and easiest recipe that you can try out, and trust me, it's going to be totally worth it.